Welcome to Your Mercedes, where our 3 convenient Mercedes-Benz locations come together as one. We strive to provide a truly memorable experience. Whether you're considering one of our hundreds of Mercedes-Benz certified pre-owned vehicles in stock, or shopping from our vast new Mercedes-Benz inventory, our online shopping tool, Your Mercedes-Benz Your Way, gives you the power to shop efficiently and conveniently from your home or work. And this vehicle comes equipped with power sliding rear window with privacy glass, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, rear view camera, keyless entry, speed sensing steering, Sirius XM satellite radio, outside temperature display, alloy wheels, steering wheel controls, electronic stability control, and has less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Schedule your contactless test drive today and experience why our clients keep coming back to Your Mercedes.